welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to turn off that very frustrating sticky keys window that pops up when you're playing games if you press the shift key too many times. To turn this off, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click, and you now need to click on settings. We now need to click on ease of access, and you now need to click on keyboard. Once you're on keyboard, you now need to just simply deselect this checkbox here, which says allow the shortcut key to start sticky keys. If I press the shift key 5 times real fast, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as you can see, it's now popped up with sticky keys. If you just close that and simply deselect this checkbox, and if I now spam my shift key, nothing happens. And there we go. That is how easy it is to disable the sticky keys window. So now when you're running in-game in a first-person shooter and you keep pressing that shift key, it will no longer pop up with that annoying window. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.